What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Diona, and in this video I'm installing a wig that I got from UNiceHair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig. I got the 24-inch Yaki textured wig. I believe the density is 180, I think. It's giving 180. This is what it looks like fresh out of the pack. Take the netting off. Oops. And it looks like this. So this is their Yaki texture, which is similar to the kinky straight texture, but I like Yaki because it lays a little bit more flatter than kinky straight. Kinky straight tends to be poofier, and don't get me wrong, this is still like a Yaki texture, as you can see, but it's gonna lay flatter like when we style it. So this is their bye-bye knots wig. So they pre-bleach the knots for you, and they also pre-pluck the front for you. So this is just what the hairline looks like, and they also cut the lace for you. And then this is just a view of what the inside of the wig looks like. So you can see that the knots have been bleached. And then the inside just has a comb at the back, and it's on a dome cap. It also has a place for an elastic band if you want to add one, but I don't think one came with the wig. It didn't fall off anywhere. But if you want to add one, you absolutely can. So this is just an overview of what the wig looks like. So over here is an example of what knots would typically look like. As you can see the giant holes here, but their knots look like this. And I think it's so cute that they actually provided this little example card of what normal knots look like and what the bye-bye knots look like. So you can definitely see the difference between the two. That has a more seamless hairline, as to this one is more structured and hard, and you can see the little screen door. And we don't like that. So we definitely love the bye-bye knots. Also, the construction of the wig has a C curve on the ears like this, so that it fits more comfortably around your ear tabs like this. So it just makes the wig fit more comfortably. And then, so this is just a closer look of the construction of the wig. So really quickly before we get started, I'm just showing what comes with the wig. They send just a little example of how the cap is made. So you can see that there's the lace here. You can clearly see the cutout in the cap. And they give you an extra cap, and this is what you're essentially installing on your head. And then also you get some cute mink lashes that look like this. And then you also get a care kit that comes with, what do you call this? A wig? Wig cap. Wig cap. You get a cute little wig band that's pink. I love that everything is pink. And then you also get some really cute nails. And then also you get a care card that comes with the wig that has like more information about the hair if you need to look at it. But if you want to see me install this wig and style it, well, you gotta. So jump right into the video. We're just sliding this off. And grr, I washed my hair like 2 weeks ago, and it is already looking crazy. It has been through the most, my poor little hair. But I'm just taking some of my edge booster, and I'm just putting it just around my edges, because I'm gonna slick this back. I'm gonna slide on a wig cap, but I just want it to look seamless, and I'm just hiding away any stray hairs. And then taking my little wig cap here and sliding it on. And sliding this back. And now I'm taking my cream makeup, Ruby Kisses, with a flat top brush. And I'm just gonna apply it to the front of the wig cap just to color it some. Cute. Now, this wig didn't have an elastic band already on it, so I'm gonna slide it on my head to see if I feel like I need one. If I do, I'll go get one because I have an elastic band. But let's just see how it fits out of the box with no band. So as you can see, this is how it fits around my ear with the C cap. So it just means I can tuck my ear and it fits comfortably. And I'm gonna slide in the back comb And sliding it in, I do feel like for extra security, I may need a wig band. So I'm gonna go find a wig band and slide it on. And all right, so I went and found a wig band and it's looking like this. But one thing I want to do to the lace that I actually forgot to do is put some of my cream makeup onto the cap here. Now, as you can see, it's already bleached, but I like to put some of my cream makeup along the edges because I don't know if you noticed earlier when I first had the wig cap on, but around the edges it looked a little white. So I just want to put this makeup on the edges on the inside like this. Now I'm gonna slide on the wig. So honestly, that's it to installing the hair. Next is just styling the hair. So the parting, I like that the part is real long. I love a good long deep part because that looks more natural in my opinion. So now that I have that, I am going to now do the baby hairs. All right, so now I'm just taking my Eco Gel per usual and swooping my baby hairs. If I feel like my edges are like too long in the front, then I'll just cut them some more. Then I'm just gonna take some of my edge booster and put it on my sideburns because gel don't work on my natural hair, and just swoop my natural sideburns just a little bit like that. Okay, so while my edges sit, I'm gonna go ahead and just press out my hair. But before I do that, I just want you to see what it would look like if you decided not to press it out. So I'm gonna brush through it. And again, pressing it out is absolutely optional. If you like how it looks like with this thickness, then you can leave it. This is what it looks like. Now you may want to, like, if there's some dents in there, you may want to get that out. Like, it's some dents at the end here, but again, doing all that is optional. But me, I like to press it out because I love how it looks like when this texture is flat ironed. Preferably, it's just my preference. Even though this is not poofy at all, so I could like decide to wear it like this, but for the sake of this video, we're flat ironing this hair. So before I do that, I am taking my Bio Silk and I'm splitting my hair in half down the middle, and I'm just gonna start with one half at a time, and I'm just taking some of this Bio Silk and I am gonna just run through this hair, and then I'm just gonna brush it through so that it distributes evenly. All right, and so that's literally how long it took to do one side, which was not long at all. And I just want to do like a comparison against both sides. So you can see like this side is like a little more poofier and this is laying a little more flatter. Now granted, I didn't go in and try to get it like bone straight, so it still has a little volume to it, but it's just tamed, you know, like it needs really to be flat ironed. Even just a little bit, just to like straighten it out. So anyways, I'm gonna do the other side and I will be right back. Typically I would go with my concealer stick and like put some concealer here, but I think it's fine. But I am gonna take some of my cream makeup and just rub it along that hairline so it blends a little better. So this is the finished look, which is really cute. It looks like I'm actually like completely natural. Like I had really thick curly hair and I just decided to flat iron it. This This is really cute. This is the side and the back. The other side. This is probably like one of my favorite textures of hair because it looks very natural. I love how the hairline looks on here, and it just really just looks like my hair. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below, and that is it. Adios till next. Ooh, what was that? Adios till next time.